Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Dave. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, do an old guy a favor. Like, comment, and subscribe. Now, you know I did an unboxing and one was a HDMI 1-for-4 splitter by, I guess it's Raz Fox. I don't know. I'm old. I'm not up to date on all this stuff. And then I opened a box of C batteries and you're all like, oh, how freaking boring can that be? Well, I didn't know what was in the box. I do remember ordering them, but what I ordered them for is my handy dandy Purell hand sanitizer dispenser. Now, I know you're all going to go, oh yeah, COVID's over. But I mess around with stuff. I'm touching chlorine, soda ash, all the crap around the pool, cleaning stuff, doing that. So even before COVID was a thing, I used hand sanitizer. So I'm just going to do a quick video on putting some batteries in my Purell hand sanitizer dispenser. Let's go put some batteries in. All right, we're going over to the Purell. See it? Look at that bad boy. Now there's this little lever under here. I don't know if I can even get that lever. And it pops the front open. And then I already took this off because I didn't want to bore you all with how long it would possibly take to do this. Hopefully I can figure this out. We got one battery going this way. These are C batteries. Usually you alternate them, so I'm going with one goes that way. Then one goes thusly, and then, hold on, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this holding the camera. I might be able to, you know, hold on. Looks like it's working. Boy. And I'm a righty. You guys impressed? They actually have a little screwdriver, Phillips head, but I'm stubborn and forgot to bring the screwdriver, so we're just going to do this the old stubborn way. That should be it. Let's see. Uh-oh. Hold on. There it is. We have success. That didn't go that badly at all. The battery change was a piece of cake on that Purell. You know what? I know you're all going to go, oh, COVID's over. But like I said, I like having nice, sanitized, and clean handsies because of all the stuff I deal with during the day. So that's it for today. Have a great day, great night. Whenever the hell you're watching this, be well, stay safe. Hopefully I get to see you all again soon. Peace out.